Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make lemon oil at home using two different simple methods. So let's get started. To make our lemon oil, we're going to be needing fresh organic lemons. I've washed and dried the lemons and now we'll be using it to make the lemon oil. We're also going to be needing a grater to grate the lemons. The lemon oil will be made from the lemon peels, so we're going to start by grating the lemons so that we can have just the peels. Using a grater makes it much easier and it makes the lemon peels slimmer, but if you like you can use a knife or a peeler to do this as well. So I am going to grate the whole lemon. This is what the lemon peel looks like after grating. Now it's time to sun dry it. We are going to be sun drying so as to take out all the water from the lemon peels. If you make the lemon oil with water still in the lemon peels, then your oil is going to have water in it and that means your oil will go bad after a while. I'm going to leave the lemon peel under the sun to get completely dried, and this will take a few hours or a few days depending on how sunny it is. Now here is what the lemon peel looks like after a day of sun drying. Everything is completely dried and now we'll go ahead to make our lemon oil from this. To make our lemon oil, we're going to be needing a base oil or carrier oil. I am using olive oil to make this, but you can use any other carrier oil of choice. You can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and we're going to be using this to infuse the lemon peels to get our lemon oil. Remember, we're going to be making this lemon oil in two ways, so I have separated the lemon peels into two separate bowls. This bowl will be used for the cold infusion method, which will require no heat, and then the glass bowl will be used for the hot infusion method, which requires heat. So for the first method, which is the cold infusion method, I'm going to add my carrier oil into the dried lemon peel. Here's what it looks like after adding the carrier oil. The oil has covered the lemon peel. Now after adding in the carrier oil, I will seal the jar and then give it a good shake. We're going to leave this to infuse for about a week. You can leave it for longer. You can leave it for 2 weeks. You can leave it for months. The longer you leave it, the more nutrients you get into your oil. Also remember to come back every day or every 2 days to give it a good shake while it is infusing. So I left mine for about a week, and then after a week I will now strain it so that we can separate the lemon peel from the lemon oil. At this point, the carrier oil you added into the lemon peel has absorbed all the nutrients in the lemon peel and now it will smell like lemon oil. And that's it for the first method of making lemon oil. Now moving on to our second method, which is the hot infusion method. As we did with the first method, I'm going to add the carrier oil again into the lemon peel. And this is how it looks after adding in the carrier oil. Now we are going to speed up the process of infusion by using the double boiling method to infuse the oil. So instead of leaving it to sit for a few weeks or months, we're going to use heat to infuse the oil. So I basically just dropped the bowl in a pot of boiling water. So now the heat from the boiling water will help us to infuse the oil so we can get all the nutrients from the lemon peel into our carrier oil. After about 30 minutes of heating it up, I'm going to take it off the heat and leave it to cool before straining it. And this is what it looks like. It has cooled completely, and now I'm going to strain it the same way I strained it in the first method. Also, if after the first strain you still have some particles, you can strain it a second time. Now as you can see, here are both oils. The oils we made from the two different methods and they are excellent. Lemon oil is really great for the skin. Lemon oil has brightening effect. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help you with dull skin, to brighten dull skin, also to even out skin complexion. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure you like this video if you loved it. Also drop a comment and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Bye, and see you in my next video.